Have you ever noticed something strange? You can speak your own language with your family easily. No fear, no stopping.
But in English, suddenly, nothing.
You don't say good morning. You don't say let's eat. You just stay quiet.
And here's the strange part. It's not because your English is bad.
It's because nobody ever taught you family English. The small stuff. The real stuff.
So today, we fix that. One family moment at a time.
Hey, welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. And today's episode is part of our Listen to English Every Day series.
Today's theme is family life. Morning, breakfast, talking with your mom, your dad, your kids, your brother.
Because honestly, this is where English should start, not in a classroom, in your kitchen.
Right. You already talk to your family every single day. So why not do it in English too? Even small pieces.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready. Can you help me? That's it. That's real fluency.
So here's how this works. Anna and I say a sentence, slow first, then natural, then silence. You repeat.
Don't think. Just speak. Even quietly. Even if it feels a little weird at first.
That weird feeling? Totally normal. It goes away fast. Let's start with the morning. Block 1. Morning with family. Okay, number 1. Good morning. Number 2. Did you sleep well? Number 3. Yes, I slept really well. Number 4. Time to wake up. Number 5. 5 more minutes, please. Number 6. Get up. Breakfast is ready. Number 7. I'm coming. Number 8. Did you brush your teeth? Number 9. Not yet. Give me a second. Number 10. Hurry up. We're going to be late.
Okay, that's 10 already. And honestly, these are the exact words families say every single morning all over the world. Here's the strange part. You already think these thoughts in English sometimes. You just never say them out loud.
So today, say them out loud. Even alone in your room. Your mouth needs the practice, not just your brain. Block 2. Breakfast talk. Let's move to the kitchen. Number 11. What do you want for breakfast? Number 12. I just want some toast. Number 13. Do you want tea or coffee? Number 14. Coffee, please. Number 15. Sit down. Food is ready. Number 16. This smells so good. Number 17. Eat slowly. Don't rush. Number 18. I'm already full. Number 19. Can I have some more, please? Number 20. Thank you for breakfast. 20 sentences. And you know what's interesting? None of these are hard words. Toast. More. Please. Simple words. Real connection. That's the whole secret, actually. Simple English isn't weak English. Simple English is real English.
Block 3. Talking with family.
Now let's talk about just talking. The little chats during the day.
Number 21. How was your day? Number 22. It was tiring, honestly. Number 23. Tell me what happened. Number 24. I missed you today. Number 25. I missed you too. Number 26. Are you okay? You look tired. Number 27. I'm just a little sleepy. Number 28. Come sit with me for a minute. Number 29. I'm proud of you. Number 30. Thank you. That means a lot. 30 sentences. And honestly, this is my favorite one.
Why?
Because I missed you and I'm proud of you. These are the sentences that build a family, not grammar, feelings.
And here's a strange truth. A lot of people learn "how are you" in school, but never learn "I'm proud of you." The important stuff always gets skipped.
Not today. Let's keep going.
Block 4. Kitchen and help talk.
Now, kitchen life, because someone always needs help in the kitchen.
Number 31. Can you help me in the kitchen? Number 32. Sure. What do you need? Number 33. Can you wash the dishes? Number 34. Yes, I'll do it now. Number 35. Can you set the table, please?
Number 36. Where are the plates? Number 37. They're in the cupboard. Number 38. Be careful, it's hot. Number 39. Thanks for your help. Number 40. It's no problem at all. 40 sentences. And here's the thing. In real families, love doesn't always sound like, "I love you." Sometimes love sounds like, "Can you help me?" And sure, I've got it. That's such a good point, actually. Helping is talking too.
Block 5. Playing and fun time.
Okay, now something lighter. Playing with family. Kids, siblings, everyone.
Number 41. Do you want to play a game?
Number 42. Yes, let's play.
Number 43. It's your turn now.
Number 44. Wait, that's not fair.
Number 45. Ha! I won!
Number 46. Good game. Let's play again. Number 47. Can I join too? Number 48. Of course. Come here.
Number 49. This is so much fun.
Number 50. I love spending time with you.
50 sentences, halfway there. And notice something. Your voice probably felt more relaxed just now.
That's not an accident. Fun sentences feel easier to say. Your brain relaxes when the mood is light.
So remember that. When English feels hard, make it playful. Games, jokes, fun words. It works.
Block 6. Lunch and family meals.
Let's go back to the table. Lunchtime with the family.
Number 51. Lunch is ready. Come and eat.
Number 52. What are we having today?
Number 53. We're having rice and chicken.
Number 54. This looks delicious.
Number 55. Pass me the salt, please.
Number 56. Here you go.
Number 57. Are you still hungry?
Number 58. No, I'm full now.
Number 59. That was a great meal.
Number 60. Let's clean up together.
60 sentences. And honestly, look at that last one. Let's clean up together. 2 words changed everything. Together.
Right. Family English is full of we and together and us. That's the real pattern hiding inside all of this. Block 7. Learning and asking talk.
Now let's talk about learning together as a family. Homework, questions, small teaching moments.
Number 61. Can you help me with my homework?
Number 62. Sure, show me what you're doing.
Number 63. I don't understand this part.
Number 64. Let's go through it together.
Number 65. Can you explain it again?
Number 66. Of course, listen carefully.
Number 67. I think I understand now.
Number 68. Great! You're doing so well.
Number 69. Can I ask you something?
Number 70. Yes, of course. Ask me anything.
70 sentences. And here's the strange part again. Most people are scared to say, I don't understand.
But in a family, saying, I don't understand is normal. It's safe. Nobody judges you.
And that's exactly how English should feel too. Safe, not scary.
Block 8. Evening and closing family moments. Last block. The evening. The quiet moments before bed. Number 71. Dinner was really good tonight.
Number 72. I'm glad you liked it.
Number 73. Let's watch something together.
Number 74.
Sounds good to me. Number 75. I'm getting a little sleepy.
Number 76. Me too. Let's go to bed soon.
Number 77. Good night. Sleep well.
Number 78. You too. See you in the morning.
Number 79. I love you, family.
Number 80. Thank you for today.
80 sentences, everyone! And look at what just happened. You spoke a full day, morning to night, in English, with your family.
Okay, here's the real lesson today. And honestly, it's simple.
You don't need a classroom to learn English. You need your kitchen, your dinner table, your family.
Think about it like this. A language grows the same way a plant grows. Small water every single day. Not one big flood once a year.
So instead of studying English for 3 hours on Sunday, just say 5 sentences at breakfast. Every day. That's it.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready. Can you help me? Small sentences. Every day. That's how fluency quietly grows.
And here's the beautiful part. Nobody's watching you. Nobody's judging you. It's just you and the people who already love you.
So here's your homework today. Tomorrow morning, say good morning to your family in English.
Just that one sentence. That's all we ask.
And slowly, one sentence becomes 2. 2 becomes 10. And one day, it becomes your whole life.
Come back tomorrow. We'll keep listening, keep repeating, keep growing. Together.
See you next time.
See you next time.